Hello everyone, today I will show you how to rotate an image in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and I will rotate this image down. Select this home option. Now select edit option and click on this image and select. And now click on this format option. Here you will find this rotate option. You can rotate right, see this 90 degree, this rotate left. Also you can rotate 180 degrees, see this. And also you can rotate this image manually. Put your mouse cursor on this arrow and you can rotate and see this. Yeah, this is. In this way you can rotate your images on your PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.